Today I'm cleaning my coffee machine. I just have to turn it on. This is the Calphalon brand. And then I already put like a liter of water mixed with vinegar earlier, so I'm just continuing to clean it right now. So we just have to press 4 seconds on and up button together with the manual button for 4 seconds. Then the water shall drip from there. Then you just let it continue and then press this, and then when it says ready, you can release hot water as long as you want. And then, but I'm gonna steam it. You can also use citric acid powder for this. So that's it. You just let it keep going and then change the water after it's completely done, so you don't have curdles when you make your lattes because of the remaining vinegar. You have to make sure that the vinegar is completely out of the machine system, or else you're gonna have a cheese latte. Have a good day.